Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 36 under Section 4. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D below each of the following sentences. Choose the words or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word as it is used in the sentence. So Charles is concerned that Anna is affected. So the underlined word here is affected. So option A is insincere, B incorrect, C weak, D unfair. So affected as used in this sentence refers to negative physical effect. Now insincere, which is option A, means not genuinely, meaning what is expressed. Incorrect, of course, means not correct or wrong. Now weak means lacking ability or strength. And option D, unfair, means not fair or unjust. So from the meanings of the options we've seen, we see that the word weak and its meaning is the one that is nearest in meaning to negative physical effect, which is the meaning of affected as it is used in this sentence. Therefore, the correct answer is C, weak. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.